Alright guys, we picked up a knife from Amazon. This is the WATCHMAN W131. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so nice little trapper. Blade center and pretty nice. And we got the red bone here. Transition's good on the bone. Yep, very good transition. The die job is a little blotchy down here. A little bit blotchy on the die job on the ends. But, with natural bone you're going to get variations, but some die jobs are better than others. But yeah, nice polished bolsters here. We got a bit of polish there on the brass liners. No gap in that I can see. No, a little bit of gapping up here, I guess. Little bit here. But yeah, nice finish. Let's take a look at the main blade. Nice snap on that, and pretty decent, just over 3 inches, just over 3-inch blade there. Yeah, nice clip point. Let's see what it's. No half stop at all. Yeah, decent snap. Let's get the spare blade out. Spare blade, a little lighter on the spring. Yeah, it's okay though. It's okay. Yeah, the grind's a bit wide on the tip here. Yeah, and again a bit wide on the tip. But that's okay. Let's see what the snap's like on it. Yeah, decent. I won't be keeping this knife, unfortunately. I do like the brass pins and all, but the reason I'm not keeping it, the main feature of this is the cross on the front. And I guess during polishing, because I can see that black polish paste there, but it's caught the shield, the badge, and it started pulling it out. I can feel that's catching on my thumb. So I will be sending it back. I can see it's coming out here too, that catches on my thumb. What a shame. Good knife otherwise, but I mean the shield is the main feature on this knife, so it will be going back. Good thing about buying on Amazon, it's easy to send stuff back, and I'll get them to send me a better one, hopefully. Alright, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you've got one of these Watchmans. I think it's in 7cr steel, so reasonable budget steel. Nothing wrong with 7cr. Yeah, nice knife, other than the shield. But there we go. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and we'll catch you later.